Okay, I've got a quick update for you for BTC US dollar. So as you can see, we're currently in wave 3. Sorry, wave 4. And wave C of it expanding flat. In my last video, I was looking at this as a potential area for the price to fall, with the possibility of it reaching here. Now, it looks like it's going to reach this point at a minimum. So let's take to the 4 hour. So going over this structure. We've got wave A, then wave B takes the form of a triangle, and then currently in wave 4, which can finish around 44, even 46, we'll see, before we get wave 5. Now, this is the imbalance zone. So two things can happen. It can stay below wave 1, or it can go into the price territory of wave 2. Now this will be sort of an extreme. At some point it's going to break the trend line. It's turned lower. So like I say, I've covered it all in my other videos, but this is just to update with where the levels where I think we're going to reach. Okay, thanks for joining me. That was just a quick one. See you soon.